Hi, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble Halloween snack bags and luminaries for Cricut. So let's get started. Go ahead and upload your luminary snack bag SVG design into Cricut Design Space and go ahead and cut it out. If you don't already have the SVG file, you can get it from my Etsy shop at Etsy Art Graphic Studio. Once you've got your pieces cut out, go ahead and set your vellum. This one is going to be a luminary, so I've got the vellum. I lay down a piece of protective paper, and the next thing I do is I protect around the edges because I'm going to spray glue the vellum to the luminary. So I set some pieces around so that the glue doesn't go everywhere. One more piece right here. Then I get a nice spray of glue, try to get it straight down. And then put the gold down first, and in this case, it's going to lay over the openings on the right-hand side. I'll just press that down a little bit. And then the blue will go over everything. A little bit higher. Just make sure it covers everywhere. And then we're going to start the folding process. Okay, now that that glue is dry, it really doesn't matter which way you fold it or what you fold first. So just go ahead and start folding along the score lines. And these lines in between, I actually folded up. The rest of them are folded down. But once you get them folded, you can change that. And there's some little diagonal folds. You want to fold those also. Just put a little crease in them. All right, now you're ready to start putting it together. First thing you want to do is glue this side to this, like this. Glue that. And then you will start folding and gluing the bottom. I use paper clips to hold it together. It only takes a few minutes for it to dry, but I like to use some paper clips and get that nice and even there. And we'll let that dry, and once that's dry enough to handle, we'll go ahead and fold and glue the bottom. All right, once you've got it put together like this, then you're ready to glue the bottom. And all you really want to do is turn these sides in, the two end pieces in, fold one on top of the other, and fold it in place like this. Now, I usually put something in it to hold those flaps down so that they glue well. But you can just put your hand in there and hold it. So let me glue that back up, these two down, and those two on the end. Now here's the finished product. Of course, if you're making snack bags rather than luminaries, you can use cardstock rather than the vellum for the yellow and blue parts. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like and subscribe buttons and ring the bell to be notified of new videos as they come out. We'll see you next time.